This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 226RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, Slideout, smoke detector, awning, water heater, leveling jacks, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 226RK is 7,304 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.